Of all the rocks in the Earth's crust, this is the one we use the most. Limestone.
This much limestone, 600 tonnes of it, is quarried in the UK every minute. After 1 hour, the pile grows to 36,000 tonnes of limestone. This is how much limestone each person uses every year.
A surprising 3.5 tonnes of it. So what do we use so much limestone for?
Farmers need limestone to help neutralise acid soils so that crops like these grow really well.
I'm a stone sculptor, and the reason I use limestone is that it carves very well, it lasts a long time, and it's a really beautiful stone.
I work in the construction industry where the use of limestone is absolutely essential. It is in our concrete, bricks, cement, and even in our glass.
It's used for building and construction of schools, of hospitals, factories, of shopping centres. Also, it forms all the transportation links between those. We can also take limestone and we can grind it for cosmetics. It's used in medicines, and it's even used as a main constituent in toothpaste.
And if you think using limestone to clean your teeth is odd, how about eating it? It's added to bread as a source of calcium. It's also a vital ingredient in the extraction of iron from iron ore. Limestone is made from the remains of shells and sea creatures. It formed under the sea millions of years ago. Today, it makes up some of the most beautiful landscapes in the country. This programme looks at how much we need limestone and the effect quarrying it has on the environment. There are around 300 limestone quarries in the UK. Most are in England and Wales. And over 30 lie in or around national parks, protected areas of natural beauty. This concerns environmentalist Amanda Nobbs.
Every year, 100 million people come to our national parks expecting to be able to get away from the stresses of modern life and enjoy beautiful countryside. And they have a horrible shock when they come along and discover these ugly white scars in the countryside with all the dust and the incessant noise of quarry lorries.
Quarrying in the Yorkshire Dales National Park has been an issue for many years.
I live in a village in the Yorkshire Dales. We've got a quarry just up the road from us and another one about a few miles further up. Every day we have to put up with an air raid siren warning us that there's going to be a blast like there is going off now.
10, 9, 8.
And then there'll be a huge blast that usually shakes my house.
3, 2, 1.
Traffic is one of the biggest problems to do with the quarry. The lorries are coming past all the time, just like these here, and it's constantly from morning till late at night. Hundreds of them go past every day.
So with so many truckloads, where does all the limestone go? And can the amount we use be reduced?
Limestone is used in the construction industry because of its very strong and hard properties. In the building of a house, limestone is used in many areas. As an aggregate, we crush the limestone down to make our concrete, and we use that in the foundations, which actually provides support for the house. We can use it by grinding it down into a fine powder, manufacturing cement, which we use to bond the buildings and bricks together. And limestone even finds its place in the manufacture of our glass for our windows.
So, just how much limestone does the average house contain? An amazing 50 tons of it. And it isn't just used in the building of houses. Its strength and durability make it a first choice material for roads and motorways. In fact, the construction industry is the biggest consumer, using about 80% of all quarried limestone. So, can they do without it?
I find it very difficult as a builder to see how we can continue to build our houses, motorways and roads without the use of quarried limestone. As a material, it's proved very versatile and useful.
Limestone is also used in agriculture. It may only make up 3% of all quarried limestone, but it's essential for neutralising acid soils.
Most crops don't grow so well on acidic soils, so it's important for farmers to test their soils after each harvest.
To find out how acid or alkaline it is, the pH of the soil is measured. A small amount is placed in a glass tube. Adding pure water makes a solution. The pH is tested accurately with a specially designed indicator. After mixing the soil and the indicator thoroughly, the tube is left for a few minutes. The soil sinks to the bottom, and the colour of the solution is then easy to see.
This soil is too acidic. It's at pH 5.5. What it should be is nearer pH 6.5.
6.5 is almost neutral. This is where limestone comes in handy. The chemical name for limestone is calcium carbonate. Spreading it over the field will neutralise the acidic soil. Although you can't see it, when calcium carbonate mixes with the soil, a chemical reaction is slowly taking place. On a small scale, the reaction can be observed more easily using dilute acid. A few drops of universal indicator monitor the pH. Red means the solution is strongly acidic. Add calcium carbonate and the solution fizzes. The reaction is producing a gas called carbon dioxide. As more calcium carbonate is added, the redness starts to fade. This colour change means the solution is now less acidic. A yellow-green colour indicates that it's almost neutral. Acid plus calcium carbonate produces a neutral solution. Adding limestone changes the pH of the soil. So, can farmers do without it?
Farmers are looking to alternatives to limestone. Seaweed is a possibility, and they are also using methods such as soil testing and careful crop rotations to reduce its use. But finding an alternative as good as limestone is proving difficult, so it looks as though farmers will be using limestone for a long time yet.